Here are the steps to successfully install your Photodon non-adhesive privacy filter. The first step will be verifying the filter is the correct size. There should be a 0.5 mm to 1 mm gap around the privacy filter to allow for easier installation. After removing the privacy filter from its packaging, hold the filter up to your device to verify it is the proper size. Next, with your device turned off, clean the screen with a provided cleaner or wipe and microfiber cloth. Wearing the provided gloves, carefully remove the front and back liners of the privacy filter by pulling the sticker on the corner. Some non-adhesive privacy filters will come with one or both liners removed. If a side of your privacy filter does not have a sticker, there is no liner on that side. This privacy filter is meant to be installed with the matte side out. Using the provided cleaner or wipe, clean the glossy side of the filter. Next, find the double-sided adhesive strips in your installation kit. The adhesive is between the clear plastic sheet and a blue liner. Carefully remove one of the strips by pulling the end of the blue liner. Place the strip adhesive side down onto the privacy filter near the edge. Using light pressure, run a finger across the blue liner to remove any bubbles and set the adhesive. Repeat this process going all around the edges of the privacy filter. The strips do not need to be touching. Gaps between them will not affect installation. For most devices, one sheet of adhesive strips will be enough to hold the privacy filter in place. You can save any remaining strips to use later if you feel more are necessary to hold the filter in place or to replace the ones on the filter after removing it. Once all the adhesive strips are in place, remove the blue liners. You may also want to keep these liners to cover the adhesive if the filter is removed. Now it is time to install the filter. Rest the edge of the privacy filter along the bottom of the screen and align the filter left to right. Then, carefully tip the filter towards the screen. Before pressing down on the adhesive points to seal the filter in place, check to make sure you are satisfied with the placement. You can carefully pull back the filter to realign it if necessary. Once the filter is in position, lightly run your finger along the adhesive points to set the adhesive and remove any bubbles in the strips. Clean the front of the filter if necessary to remove any dust or fingerprints. Now you can power on your device to see the effects of the privacy filter. This filter will slightly darken the screen, so you may need to adjust the brightness of the screen. If the image seems blurry, check around all edges to ensure the filter is tight against the screen. There you have it. You have successfully installed your Photodon privacy filter.